All right, I think I'm live. I think everything's good to go, but give me just a moment to spread the stream out to all the different social media platforms and just make sure the stream is good. It's been a while since I've been live. Hope everyone's doing all right today. Welcome to the Atypical News Network. It's your boy. We're doing a crypto episode today, so it's your boy AC Crypto here with some crypto updates, news, technical analysis, and my top 10 list for altcoins for this 2021 bull market run. So just give me a moment to get set up and we'll get going. Let's see. All right. Okay, we're live. Looks like it's good to go. First things first, if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel to help us, grow. And click the like button so that this message and this stream gets out to more viewers on YouTube and all around. So I appreciate that, guys. Thanks for being here. Today we are going to go over my top 10 altcoin list for the 2021 bull market run. We're also going to do some technical analysis on all of the different crypto that I tell you about, especially Bitcoin, and we can do some questions and answers. So just let me know if you have any questions and I'll check the chat. And I need to make some people moderators if they are in chat. Let me see. If you're in chat, say something so I can make you a moderator. Oh, we forgot something. Let me get I added the Dogecoin price. Let's get the Dogecoin price because it's shooting right now. If you don't know, the Doge father, Elon Musk, is going to be going on SNL tomorrow night, and I expect there to be a run up starting from a little earlier today until tomorrow night of the price. So it could be a good thing, but we'll see. All right, let's check chat one more time. Oh, cool. What's up, Jan? What's up, Miles? I'm gonna make you guys moderators really quick, just in case I actually have viewers. You never know. Give me just a moment. Okay, she doesn't. You don't want to be a mod. I'll make Miles a mod. Add moderator. It's not really a big, it's not a huge deal because I don't have any subscribers. But okay, you should be a mod now, Miles. Thank you. Appreciate you guys being here. So there's 5 people in here. Wow. All right. So I should have 5 likes. That's the requirement. All right, cool. All right, great. So let's get right into it. There's a lot to cover. First things first, we are going to, as you can see, Doge is up to 70 cents. It's up maybe 10 cents today. Bitcoin is a little over 57K. Kind of ranging slightly down from earlier today, and ETH is slightly down as well. Let's go over to the charts. All right, great. So let's get right into it. There's a lot to cover. All right, hopefully you all can see this. Let's see. First things first, we are going to, as you can see, Doge is up to 70 cents. The first thing I have up is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin is over 57K. If you want to know if your altcoin trades are going to do well or not, Bitcoin dominance is a very key chart to look at. Basically, anytime you see a red candle, that's great for the altcoins. And anytime you see a green candle, that's great for Bitcoin. What this chart represents is the ratio of money going into Bitcoin or the entire altcoin market. So as you see, it's altcoin season right now. We've been in a steady, steep decline for, let's see, that says March, that's about March 14th. So almost 2 months. Even altcoins have been seeing a nice run up, and that's what Bitcoin dominance can tell you. At the moment, we have a green candle where Bitcoin dominance is slightly going up, so that's why you see a little dip in the altcoin market. So as you see, so that's Bitcoin dominance. I recommend anyone that wants to keep up with this market to get an account on TradingView. So almost 2 months, even altcoins have been seeing a nice run up. Yeah, TradingView.com, where you can pull up all of these charts for Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance, slightly going up, so that's all of your altcoins and so forth. So TradingView is very much worth it if you're going to be a successful trader in this market. I recommend anyone. So first things first, we're going to go over to Bitcoin, the big daddy. Get an account on TradingView. Bitcoin, as you can see here, I've been charting Bitcoin for a while. I started this chart in February, and just been plotting some major trend lines. These yellow lines that you see are major trend lines that the price respects very well, as you can tell. So this kind of gives you some clarity on whether you should be panicking or not when Bitcoin price drops or goes up. I'll kind of zoom in here. Currently, Bitcoin, we are, as you can see here, we have been fighting this trend chart in February. We've been fighting this trend line here for quite some time. Been plotting some major trend lines. Yeah, we started approaching it after the big dip. We started approaching it at the very end of April. So for the past week, we've been struggling with this major trend line that I found. Started way back here, so as you can see, we kind of zoom in here. Second says, you know, we are before that we actually hit it. We got rejected off of it. You know, we came up and down a few times. It played with it. It could not get past that trend line. So it definitely represents some major resistance there. As you see, we eventually shot past it. It was a bit of a fake out though, as we came right back through it. And even as we go right back through it, you'll notice. So as you see, we kind of zoom in a second. You'll notice that before that we actually hit it. It still respected that trend line, so it didn't just go straight past it. You know, it went through, it retested, when it came back down, it hit it, it tried to stay above, it retested, and then eventually failed. So over the past few days, we've been, as you see, flirting with this line. We just went back above it 2 days ago. We retested just fine, and it's been kind of flirting with it ever since. Today was a good day because it started to really push past that line, but as you can see, it looks like we're retesting it again. If we're not retesting it, we're actually just retesting this yellow line, line here, which actually represents past the 200 MA, the 200 daily moving average, which is a major point of I guess a major price action indicator. Anytime we're on a 4-hour chart, so anytime the price action is above the yellow 200 moving average, that's a bullish sign. So right now we're feeling pretty bullish, even though we are starting to retest that line again. This yellow line, so just yellow, line here, which actually represents. This is why TradingView is so great. You know, I've been plotting charts for this chart for Bitcoin for quite a while, and it's really helped me keep up with trend lines. The price is rising. I can kind of tell, when we're gonna. So down here, for example, we broke out of these patterns. I knew that when it got to this trend line, that could be a point where, me personally, I could get out of Bitcoin and wait for things to happen and get back in when I thought quite a while, price action would move past it. So it helped me keep up. That's what you have there. The price is rising. You'll also go over to the Ethereum price now. Down here, Ethereum is retesting pattern 21 daily moving average. So it's down a little bit. That could be a point where it might be a good time for accumulation, get out of Bitcoin. And this, I'm not sure if we look at the 4-hour chart. I really felt that we had a nice, very fast run up in the Ethereum price. So I am expecting a retrace. This could be it. This could be all we get. Ethereum, but I would not doubt it if we came down even further, down a little bit. As far as the indicators, we're not oversold on the 4 hour. We're definitely taking a downtrend on the stock RSI and the MACD as well. We're on a downtrend. You can look at this in different time frames. So let's go to the hourly Ethereum price. So I am expecting to go to the hourly, zoom in. You can see that we've actually started to retrace quite a bit. I would not doubt it if we came down even further. It looks like we're not oversold on the RSI. Stock RSI is starting to be oversold, and it looks like we could potentially curl up. So yeah, it's up in the air what it's going to do right now. I would expect more of a retracement, but depending on how much volume and how much this bull run is taking off right now, we may not come back down. So yeah, there's like Ethereum price on the RSI. The major reason for the stream is my top 10 list for altcoins for the 2021 bull market. So yeah, it's here. Yes, so I comprised the list of 10. Actually, it's more than 10 coins. They're in no particular order because it was extremely hard for me to rank in order which coin was the best. There's really no way to tell that, but I do have a solid top 10 list of coins that I am a solid believer in. So we'll go right into that. And it looks like my Spotify music was on that whole time. I'm sorry, guys. Let me check the chat. Oh, yeah. Thank you, guys. You were trying to tell me, but I was not looking at chat. Thanks for trying to tell me, guys. Just let me know that's better for everyone. I'm a little rusty with the live stream, so I did not mute my intro music when I switched screens, but I hope that's better. There is some background music playing, but it's much quieter than the intro music, so it looks like we're good. Sorry about that. Let's see. Maybe I'll briefly tell you what go into what I was talking about there. We reviewed the Bitcoin chart. I've been charting this for the past couple months. I've plotted some major trend lines. These yellow lines that you see are major trend lines that the Bitcoin price action respects. So right now we're over here, and as you see, we've been flirting with this yellow trend line here for quite a while. After the big dump, we started to shoot back up, and as we did, we hit this line. As you can see, it is a major line of resistance and or support. And I was just trying to illustrate to you guys how the price action worked and whatnot. So yeah, as we came up to the line, we got rejected. We flirted with it a few times, trying to push past it, but getting rejected. We finally pushed through. And it was a bit of a fake out as the price action came back to retest the line and broke back downwards through that line. So we've been trying to get past this line, and once we really do break free from it, I really feel like we could see some upside action. So as you can see here, we came back through it, retested it perfectly a couple of times, even went through it below it again, and we today have pushed through it a little more than we ever have before, actually. So that's a very bullish sign. I was explaining to you all with the music up that this yellow line here that I'm tracing is the 200 daily moving average. We are on the 4-hour chart. Anytime that you have price action above the yellow 200 daily moving average on the 4-hour time frame, that is a very bullish sign, and that's currently what we are doing right now. Even though we are retesting that line, so we'll have to watch out very carefully. We're retesting this 200 daily moving average line, so we're bullish at the moment, but things could change. We'll see how this retest goes. So that was my analysis for the Bitcoin price right now. And I was letting you know that tradingview.com is very essential. As you can see, it makes it very easy to keep up with the price action and plotting these charts, so that when price is going up and down, you're not freaking out. You can kind of tell what might happen. When the price action is approaching this line, I know that it might be a place where I personally can sell and catch something, on the rebound down here. Or when we are above it, I know that I can maybe place a buy order or sell order here, whatever you're doing, and it's going to respect that line pretty well. So those are the advantages of plotting those trend lines. I also, in the very beginning, was explaining the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is Bitcoin dominance. This is a chart that tells you whether more money is going into Bitcoin or whether more money is going into all of the altcoin market. So as you can see, since March, the middle of March, we've been on a steady decline, which kind of represents altcoin season. That's why our smaller altcoins like Ethereum and down have been, really doing well, giving better gains than Bitcoin has. Our last candle today was green, so that's why you saw more money flowing into Bitcoin and a decrease in the price of altcoins. So yeah, whenever you have a green candle, that's good for Bitcoin. When you see red candles, that is great for altcoins. And looks like I have someone trying to subscribe. Let's see. Let me see if I can get them over. All right, so that's Bitcoin dominance. TradingView offers this chart. I definitely recommend starting an account with tradingview.com so that you can plot all of these different altcoins and see Bitcoin dominance and so forth. I also went into the price action for Ethereum. This is on the 1 hour chart. You can see that over the past few hours, we've had a nice retrace, which is what I was expecting for Ethereum. We've shot up in price so fast with Ethereum that you have to be expecting a retrace at some point. So I'm not sure if it's topped out here, but if we can look carefully, we could possibly have a double top situation here where we have hit this point twice now and been rejected. So the retrace could could continue further down, which is what I'm expecting due to the price rising so fast. Yeah. So blah. And now that I've done that first part over again, I'm going to go back to chat. Okay, cool. Yeah, everyone can hear. Great. Awesome. Very nice. Please click that like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Let's get back into the charts. Let me make sure I did that right. Yeah. Okay. So today's stream was mainly supposed to be my top 10 altcoin list for the 2021 bull run. These altcoins are in no particular order because it was very hard to, you don't know which one's going to do better than the other necessarily, but all of these are very strong projects with plenty of room to grow. They are, say that you wanted to hold or hodl. These are hodling coins that are going to do very well and, not be, okay, everything's risky, but maybe they're a little less risky than some of the others. But, do your own research. And yeah, so let's get right into it. The number one altcoin besides Bitcoin for the 2021 bull run. And I've pulled these up on a site called coinmarketcap.com. Definitely recommend everyone bookmarking this website, coinmarketcap.com. I'm just going to go to it from the beginning here. So with coinmarketcap.com, it gives you a list of all the altcoins and it ranks them in order of their market cap size. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in order of their market cap size. So let's see here. So yeah, if we just scroll down here, you will see the list goes on forever, and there's even more pages here. But coinmarketcap.com is where you can keep up with all the different altcoins, where they're ranked on the list, and what they've done, their price action has done in the past 24 hours or the past week. There's circulating supply, and then you can click on each one and get details about them. So the number one, or what the first altcoin I have listed is the number 2 cryptocurrency available, Ethereum. Ethereum, I think, is going to be better to hold than Bitcoin throughout this year, as far as gains go. And as you can see, coinmarketcap.com, we can click on Ethereum, scroll down a little bit, and it's going to give us details about this crypto in particular. So with Ethereum is a decentralized, open source blockchain system that features its own cryptocurrency, Ether. So there you go. That explains Ethereum. Ethereum works as a platform for numerous other cryptocurrencies. So Ethereum's huge because many of the other cryptocurrencies are developing on Ethereum's blockchain. And it has a head start on most of the other blockchains. Most of the cryptocurrency projects you see are developing on Ethereum. So it has a huge head start on any other open source decentralized blockchain system. Ethereum deals with data transfer and smart contracts is what we would call that. And you can read more here. It gives you a lot more details about the project and about Ethereum in general and its upcoming events and stuff like that. So CoinMarketCap is great. So far we have tradingview.com and coinmarketcap.com that are 2 sites that you want to have in your arsenal. All right. And just a moment, as this person is really wanting to get into the stream, so I need to send the link over. Give me just a moment here. Let's see, I won't leave you. I'll put it on my face. Well, let me just give this person the link. All right. How's everyone doing? Let's go to the chat. Share. Boom. There you go. All right, we should have another viewer joining us. I was able to give her that link. So thanks for being patient, guys. I appreciate that. And let's get back into it. So we went over Ethereum. Ethereum is, in my opinion, going to give better returns than Bitcoin will this bull run. So yeah, Ethereum, we went into what Ethereum is. The creator or co-founder of, the main founder of Ethereum is Vitalik Buterin. You should look up some information about him. He's a very interesting guy. And let's see what he had to say. Okay. Yeah, so Ethereum was first described in 2013 by Vitalik Buterin. They described it as, described Ethereum's goal is to become a global platform for decentralized applications, allowing users from all over the world to write and run software that is resistant to censorship, downtime, and fraud. So that gives you a brief scope of what the Ethereum project is about. So Ethereum is a good one, guys. Next, we will go into one of Ethereum's competitors, and it is BNB, or the Binance coin. Binance coin is going to do a lot. As you can see, it's ranked number 3 on coinmarketcap.com. So it recently got there. As you can see in this chart here, it is literally just exploded since February. I remember seeing Binance coin at $20 a pop, and we are sitting at $600 and so dollars. So the run up there is pretty incredible. Binance coin is huge because Binance is the most popular exchange in the world. So it does the most volume. Let's just say as far as centralized exchanges go, it does the most one of the most volume of any exchange. So it's very relevant all over the world. And down here you can find out more about Binance coin. It was just launched in July of 2017. Binance is one of the, like I said, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges globally. That's huge, guys. Global market now when you're dealing with crypto. By aiming to bring cryptocurrency exchanges to the forefront of financial activity globally, the idea behind Binance's name is to show this new paradigm in a global finance, binary finance, or Binance. So Binance, or the BNB coin, Binance exchange, is a centralized exchange. So you're not dealing with decentralization. They're completely, which is why I like Ethereum at the end of the day more than Binance or BNB coin. But most of the ecosystem in Binance is decentralized. So you kind of working between the two there. I'm trying to find some interesting facts about Binance coin, but you can do this yourself to keep the length of the stream down. Yeah, so you can go to CoinMarketCap and look up the details of Binance coin. Just know that it is a solid project. It's not going anywhere because Binance, the exchange, is not going anywhere, and I definitely see a lot more growth out of it. When moving on, let's check the chat, see if we have any questions. Oh, and we do. Okay, bloop, 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 music. Thanks for doing it over. Thanks for being here, Island Boy 888. I'm not sure if you are in the group already or in my private trading group, but if you're not, at least please subscribe to the channel and give the stream a like. I would appreciate that. All right. So, number 3, I have a personal favorite of mine. Number 3 is going to be a little crypto named Veracity, or VRA. VRA has had an amazing run up recently. Personally, I discovered this coin right when it was under a penny, and I finally broke down and got it at just over a penny. So it was like 0.013. So somewhere down in here, is where I bought a good chunk of Veracity, and it has done me very well ever since. As you can see, the price action has kind of skyrocketed up. In fact, it reached all the way up to almost 6 cents, so 5.5 cents. So my investment went up 4x in a very short period of time. In fact, it was about a month, a little less than a month, honestly. And I did really well off that one. I love this coin. I love this project, and I'm going to tell you why. I actually had its website up, so let's see if I still have that. So you can check out Veracity at veracity.io, and it's going to tell you all about this coin and its fundamentals, its roadmap, who's behind the project, and all. Veracity is very relevant for me being a YouTube creator, in that it deals directly with that. It deals with content creation for, and it helps to improve the experience for creators, for users, and for advertisers. So you can get into here, you can get into this website and see what it's all about. Let's see if I have some details on what it's about. Let's go over to CoinMarketCap. The price has been fluctuating a lot recently, especially with the big Bitcoin dip that we had recently. It's still working its way to recover from that. Let's go into some details of Veracity and why it is a great project and is probably here to stay. So Veracity's mission is to significantly increase advertising revenues for video publishers on any video platform through its rewarded player and ad stack. So currently, guys, Veracity is the only crypto to have its own, or to have a United States patent for its proof of view technology. So proof of view technology is new. Veracity has a patent for theirs, which means that basically, if you're viewing someone's content or you're a content creator, you're being paid directly through the video player that VRA has. you're getting paid directly with VRA tokens. So, of course you can do whatever you want with those tokens, cash them out, stack them or whatever, but you're getting directly paid. So even your viewers are getting paid for viewing your content, and it's all done through Veracity's video player. If we can go back to the website here, you can see that Veracity is already integrated with the following video players: YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo. We can stop right there, and those are 3 huge companies that Veracity is integrated with already. And so the potential for this coin is immense. And it also allows you to keep your current platform. So say I want to keep the Atypical News Network on YouTube, but be monetized, even though I don't have 1,000 subscribers. VRA is going to allow me to get paid and monetarily for what I'm doing on YouTube through its own video player. So that is huge for this industry. Why is that playing? Hopefully the music was not on. Okay. Yes, but let's see here. So it has its own US patent, guys. That's huge. They deal with a little bit of gaming, or esportsfightclub.com. They have their own wallet where you can stake VRA. You can stake it at 25.5% per year, which is bigger than most any other staking program I've ever seen. And it's just a great project, guys. They're as you can see with their roadmap, they have been very busy and accomplishing all of their goals on time. So you have a strong team with strong fundamentals. There's a lot coming out over the summer, where they will be releasing their subscriptions for their esports fight club. And they're going to be hosting tournaments, gaming tournaments, and things like that very soon. I believe they just hosted their first one. So it's just going to keep growing, guys. This is a great project. This is a hidden gem. I'm giving you my hidden gem as far as altcoins go. This is, like I said, I believe that it has potential. I think this coin could get up to, anywhere from $2 to $4 in the coming bull run. Its current price is sitting at 3 cents. So you can do the math there of what kind of gains those are, but it could be very good. Lots of potential growth for this project in general. So that's that. Let's keep it rolling because we have 7 more to get through, and I don't want it to be too long. And it looks like I was not on. Man, I'm really rusty, guys. I'm sorry. So yeah, here's the VRA website. You can access this at veracity.io, and you can check out everything that I was just talking about. I did pull it up on coinmarketcap.com also, where it gave a good rundown of everything I was just talking about. And you can see its price chart. It has been flying, just going straight up, parabolic. I can't see if I can see the price here. I got in at, like I said, just over a penny, and it went up to 5 cents. So those were great gains there. All right. So the next project I want to talk about is one that I hammer in my trading group a lot, and that is Orion Protocol. I got into Orion personally when it was a little under $5. So I think it was like $3 or $4 when I got in. It went all the way up to $30. So those were huge gains for my portfolio. As you can see here, the chart. Orion Protocol. I love Orion just because I know it's a solid project.